Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today on Chow Time we are making air fried mozzarella sticks. Here's a quick look at the ingredients. Please check the description box for details. Today I'm going to use a full block of mozzarella cheese, but feel free to use the pre-sliced or pre-shaped cheese. So we're going to get started with cutting our cheese into shape. Shape it how you prefer, but I'm going to make mine into a few thick rectangles. Now put these in the freezer for 30 minutes to an hour to stiffen up a bit, and while these are in the freezer I'm going to go ahead and prep my coating. Pour a bit of flour into a bowl depending on how many cheese sticks you're going to make. Crack 2 to 3 eggs into a bowl and add a bit of milk. Make sure you stir until it's completely combined. Now combine your panko breadcrumbs and the Italian breadcrumbs into a bowl and stir until it's well mixed. You could use one or the other if you'd prefer, but I like to use both for the best taste and crunch. Your cheese should be done, so remove them from the freezer. Now we're going to batter the cheese sticks. First, lightly coat the cheese sticks in the flour. Shake off the excess. Dip the cheese sticks into the egg batter and turn it a few times until it's coated. Dredge the cheese stick into the panko breadcrumb mixture until it's fully covered. Now we're going to go back and dip the cheese stick back into the egg mixture and then follow up with the panko and breadcrumb mixture until it's fully covered. The double coating will give it the best crunch. Here's a look at the cheese sticks all breaded. Now I'm going to put them in a ziplock bag and freeze them for a few hours to overnight to set the breading. Alright, it's the next day and I'm going to preheat my air fryer at 350 degrees for 3 minutes. Make sure you spray the tray with PAM or non-stick cooking spray. Place your cheese sticks in the pan in a single layer and spray the tops with PAM or non-stick cooking spray. Now I'm going to set the air fryer for 350 degrees for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, flip the cheese sticks and spray again with the PAM and set the timer for an additional 3 minutes. At this time that you're checking and you see that they're done enough for you, go ahead and take them out, but I'm going to put mine back in to make sure it has the maximum crunch and cheese pool. And they're done. Enjoy.